Hello, welcome to dancebranch.net. Okay, two-step, level one. Yes, level one, amalgamation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to walk through it, do a nice little quick walkthrough, okay? And then we're going to actually, well, demonstrating it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to break it down nice and slow for you, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, very cool. Now, notice how it goes around the floor. Yeah, counterclockwise. That's two-step. All right, it needs to travel. But again, you can travel at your pace and how far, depending on your space, okay? Now, when we go to do this, there's a lot of content here. We're starting from a closed position, all right? So, going backwards, closed position, we want to slide down to get to a two-hand hold, okay? Quick, quick, slow, slow. Begin the sliding down. The right hand goes all the way down her left arm to the hand, okay? And quick, quick, slow, slow. Now you're in the track with her. Rail on the outside, rail on the inside, like a train track. Go to your lab to understand what that means, okay? So, two-hand hold. We're going to do the jacket. So, gentlemen, what you're doing is you're walking around. You're going to take a full basic to two basics. We're going to actually use two basics to do this. It's probably the best way to do it anyway, okay? Ladies, go straight forward, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now you'll notice as I do that, right hand stays down, left hand goes over her head, and gentlemen, you're looking at her the whole time, but not her footwork, okay? Now, we're in a wrap position, if you will. We're gonna do another basic, but we're gonna prep inside out. Gentlemen, it's up to you. In, out. And ladies, when he preps you, your right side's gonna go forward on the in, and it's going to, left side's going to go forward on the out. So as we move forward, here we go, and quick, quick, in, out, slow, slow, yeah? Now, this is where the jacket spin comes into play. We take the left hand over, okay, over her head, and then we're going to go into a jacket spin repeat. So left hand over, right hand stays close to her waist, gentlemen, and quick catch, slow, slow. So that means when I went into it, quick, I recatch the hand because I got to let go of it, recatch it, keep it there, catch it, she'll go back into another slow, slow, in, out, okay? So you're back at that point, in, out, here, okay? So let's do it one more time. So we just got out of the jacket, came in here, we're going to do a basic, then slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick catch, slow, slow. Now we're going to go over her head one more time, but we're not going to catch her. We're going to go into the open promenade, setting up the next pattern. And quick, quick, slow, slow. We're opened up, reverse line, facing this way. We're going this direction. Now, we're going to do a cha-cha, like your cha-cha step. If you don't know that one, go learn that dancing in your lab. So we're going to turn around and face each other, doing a quick, quick, side to the other side. And quick, quick, slow, and we face forward line of dance, as you can tell. Now at this point, gentlemen, what we're going to do is we're going to face the lady as she spins and free spins, and we're going to catch her on the other end, ending just like that on down the road here. Quick, quick, catch, slow. So notice I'm on the inside. No matter what happens, gentlemen, you may be on the long end or on the corner. You have to adjust your footwork to her. Cool? Now, we're at this position again. Now ladies, this is a good thing to know. Whenever you're spinning, okay, your arms kind of stay neutral because he needs to catch you, not you him, okay? If you need more work on your spinning, we have a little drill in the lab. So if you got the big package, go look for that, okay? Here we go.
Very helpful.
Yes. So now we're going to give her another free spins, yay for the ladies. And gentlemen, just watch the lady. And quick, quick, slow, slow. And guess what we're going to do next? Another spin for the lady. This is going to be a free spin, and we're going to end up closing up with her. And quick, quick, slow, slow. Now, at this point, gentlemen, you may not be in closed position. You're going to take another basic to close up, okay? So you go quick, quick, slow, slow. Now, if you decide to close up quicker, all all right, type of situation, you can immediately put your right hand in her back as she spins and then close immediately. Let me demonstrate. Quick, catch, slow, slow, which is very cool. Either way, you're going to get to this position here. Now, we're facing on a dance. We want to get turned around, do a natural right turn to get going backwards again, gentlemen. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Yes? But on this next part, we want to kind of go quick, quick, slow, inside out, right, left, okay? Now, we could have done this as soon as we turned around, but we're giving you another basic here to kind of get set up. All right, so here we go. Quick, quick, right, left, inside out, right, left. And notice her arm comes right off the shoulder in front of her, giving her a nice prep. Gentlemen, take the hand, which is about shoulder to eye level, overhead for an inside spin. Quick, quick, slow, slow. And once more, just like over there, you can do another basic that close up, or you can actually catch her on the spin coming out. Quick catch, slow, slow. Another basic to finish up there. Cool? All right, so there you have it. Nice and broken down slowly. If you need more detail, guess what you need to do? You need to go back to the lab. Yes, every pattern is broken down to 10, 15 minutes of private session learning how to do these things. We just put it together for you, okay? Go back, rewind as slow as you need to, as often as you need to, and have fun. We'll see you back for the next video.